That guy said, I got a gun, I will shoot that dog. I said, no, you won't. He said, if it bites me, I will. I said, well, dog ain't gonna bite you, so chill out. Ignorant. And on top of that, threaten us with a gun. Have a good day.
Have a good day.
Sit. Go. Have a good day. Your hair looks good. Have a good weekend. Go. Have a good day. Have a good day. Have a good day. Have a good day.
You too.
Have a good day. Good morning. Have a good day.
You too.
And a good weekend.
Who said that?
Good morning.
Morning.
That's like 4 dogs in there. Good morning. Have a good day. She's a Belgian Malinois, and she's also Australian Shepherd though. But she's saying hello. She's the nicest one though ever. A lot of them are like mean and obnoxious, but she wants to love and everybody's her friend.
How you doing?
Yeah, she thinks you understand her. She thinks she's a damn human. Have a good day. See. Go. It's still cold out, but I've got thermals on, long johns, then my pants, then on the top, then I've got a sweater. A sweater, and then a hoodie, and a scarf, and my toboggan. And so I'm warm, but now walking, I'm just like too warm or whatever. There was this little drunk dude that lived in these apartments here, and years ago or whatever, you know, of course we meet him, and he's alcoholic real bad, but his name was Tony also, so that's how I remember him and his name, because my name, and and then he's always drunk, but he would always see Mary Jane and then play with her, you know what I'm saying? And like other people would be scared of her, and he would be like, he wasn't, and I think it was because he was drunk, but we used to see him all the time because he'd go down to the liquor store down here, or he'd go down to the little store down here for cigarettes, single cigarettes, Lucy's, or go to the liquor store here for, you know, like a little shot bottle or whatever they're called, or a pint or, you know, whatever, and in some cases, you know, beer, you know, we needed to have enough, or whatever, but I haven't seen him in a long time, and maybe even like a whole year or so, or, you know, could be longer even, but I haven't seen him, and my first thought for that dad is, you know, maybe he passed away, and that sucks for anybody, but he was just so nice to Mary Jane and everything, you know. And even though he was an alcoholic, you know, doesn't necessarily make him a bad person. But again, I haven't seen him in so long. I think he might have passed away. He was an old little dude too, though. He was, well, he wasn't like, well, he was roughly like my age. So, and if he's close to my age, that's pretty damn old, so. But also, which sucks and sad, I would already be dead. Hey, Jay. Oh. I would already be dead if I didn't and hadn't have changed my damn ways. And not so much like drugs and alcohol, but like food. You said, like foods and stuff. Exercise, diet, all that stuff. But again, also, hell, I'd be in a damn, I'd be in a wheelchair. Sit, Dinky, stay. But again, for that was kind of my wake-up call. And they were wanting me to have a wheelchair, and I was like, oh, no. I don't want no wheelchair. I don't want to live like this, being sick. Go. Come here. Dink. Come here. Come on. Sorry. Come on. Come. There's a family. There's the family. Hi, babies. Happy Friday. Hey, big brother. There they go. There they come. Hey, big brother. I see you. Okay. That's a different Boney. Girls.
Thank you.
We love them. You're our family. We love y'all too.
Your parents growing now.
That's good.
Yeah. Finally growing hair.
That's good. That's good. We love them. Come on, girl.
Yes. All right, bye. Thank you.
You want a piece? Hey, baby. Hey, baby. No, Jay, you want a piece? That's Miss Dinky's family, so, and Miss Dinky's family is their family, so that's makes us, you know, kind of all family, so. And then Blackie, though, Miss Dinky's dad, he's big and he's kind of protective. But of course, with me, he's a big lover. And Jose, the dad back there, he was well, the dad and the mom, Jose and his wife, they don't speak English really, and so the boys gotta speak English for them or translate. But so, wow, look, that whole place is gone, and I didn't even notice. But so Jose was like, you know, Blackie, you know, might, you know, bite me and blah, blah, whatever. But then when he realized and saw that he wasn't, that he was, you know, good to me or whatever, Jose, he was like, what? Because he's like mean to like everybody. Hey, baby. I know, I woke you up, I know. He was amazed or whatever. That Blackie was just so good to me or good with me, friendly and stuff. Come on. But yeah, Blackie is one of the dogs that's reacted towards me like that. And people were like, and their owners were like, wow, they won't let anybody touch them. You gotta pet them.